I am proud to announce that our party, the Tipraha Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance, TIPRA, is launching the Maharaja Bikram Leadership Program. If you are a professional student, if you are a young person who would like to understand, know about the Northeastern culture, learn about the different movements such as ours, like the Greater Tipra Land Movement, I welcome all of you to come and become a part of this leadership training program. You will get an opportunity to learn about us. You will get an opportunity to learn about our culture, about our region, about our tribes, about our way of life. In turn, you will directly get associated with people like me directly, and you will also get a chance to be a part of a movement which means something to the indigenous tribes of the Northeast. I welcome all of you all to come and take part in this program. You can be from any community, any caste, any creed. You are free to come and experience Tripura, Northeast, as you probably have once thought of. To our Tiprasa boys and girls, you have a chance to be a part of a history-making movement. You may be a professional, you may be studying outside, you may be in Tripura, you may be elsewhere in the Northeast. I urge upon all of you, please come forward and be a part of this movement. We are a movement, not a party. We are launching this for the fight for the existence of our people. And if you can be a part of this movement, I would be very happy. You'll get a chance to talk to me. You'll get a chance to interact with me and my other leaders. And maybe we will create this dream as a reality. Well, I know Hambai. Thank you.